Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're keeping happy and safe inside your home. Before you watch this video, make sure you watch lesson number 1, introducing you to tigers, and lesson number 3, explaining the cat family to you. If you don't watch those videos, this video might not make a lot of sense. So stop the video and make sure you've watched the first 2 videos before you watch this one. This video is going to talk to you about the differences and similarities between tigers and kittens. During this video, you might see this picture. This picture means you need to stop the video, just like we use stop sign in reception, because you might have an activity to do or you might need some thinking time to answer a question. So, I've used the words similarities and differences. Do you know what that means? Stop the video to have a little bit of thinking time. Similarities. Similarities. Similarities means something that is the same. These 2 apples are the same because they are both red. So that is a similarity. They are both red apples. Differences. Differences. Differences means something that is different. Now these 2 apples are different because one is red and one is green. So their colour is different. Here is a picture of a tiger and a kitten. I want you to stop the video. I see the stop sign and I want you to see how many similarities and differences you can find in the picture. You might want to write them down, or you might want to tell them to someone in your house or a teddy bear. I want you to see how many similarities and differences you can think of. So what we're going to do is I'm going to read you a fact and I want you to tell me if you think a tiger does this fact, a kitten does this fact, or if you think both do this fact. First one, they rub against things to mark their territory. Do you think a cat does this? Or do you think a tiger does this? Or do you think both do it? Both do this. They both rub against things to mark their territory. So marking their territory means that if they go back to this place, they'll know that they've been there because they'll be able to smell their scent. They'll be able to smell themselves on the area. So both of these animals, the cat and the tiger, are rubbing against the tree so that when they go back to the tree, they'll know they've already been there before. They sleep a lot. Do you think a tiger sleeps a lot? Or do you think a cat sleeps a lot? Or do you think both a tiger and a cat sleep a lot? Both! The tiger and the cat sleep a lot. Tigers and cats are actually very lazy. Do you have a pet cat? How often do they sleep? They roar loudly. Do you think a tiger roars or do you think a cat roars? A tiger roars. A tiger roar is very loud. I will share a video on Tapestry so that you can hear how loud a tiger roar actually is. They purr when they are happy. What animal purrs, a tiger or a cat? A cat purrs. Now a tiger can't purr. I'll share another video of a cat purring on Tapestry so that you can hear a cat purring in case you don't have a cat at home and you've never heard a purr before. They like to scratch things. Do you think a tiger likes to scratch things? Or do you think a cat likes to scratch things? Or do they both like to scratch things? Both! Both animals like to scratch things. So both animals have claws on the bottom of their paws and they like to keep these claws sharp, which they do by scratching trees, if you're a tiger, Or some pet stores will sell cat furniture that they can scratch so that cats don't scratch sofas or couches or anything that might be in your house. This way, furniture doesn't get destroyed. Are fantastic swimmers. Do you think a cat is a fantastic swimmer or a tiger is a fantastic swimmer? If you've watched our other video, you'll know the answer to this. A tiger is a fantastic swimmer because cats don't actually like the water that much at all. Some cats are actually such poor swimmers that if a cat falls into the water, it might be able to swim for a little while, but then it will most likely drown. Smell things with their mouth open. Do you think a cat does this or do you think a tiger does this? Or do both do it? Both animals like to smell things with their mouth open. Here's a challenge for you. Can you find out for me why animals like tigers and cats smell with their mouth open? Answer and upload it to Tapestry for me.
We have learned so many similarities and differences between tigers and kittens. Who knew there were so many? You worked so hard today, Reception. Well done. Make sure to upload any lists that you made or any writing that you've done during this video to Tapestry or email it to us so that we can see your fantastic work. See you soon.